Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we got something interesting going on in Gang Beasts. We have the new map Crane and a new type of entity that can kill us. They are called the Birds. Me and Mr. Guns and Plays have dropped into the drop zone of the Crane, and we have met the Birds as well. Let's just say it didn't go out very nice. They tried to eat us alive. Think I'm joking? Play the clip.
And of course, it's gonna lag like.
Bro, they flew me
Huh?
up in the building, like up here.
Oh, whoa, wait. Whoa, whoa, wait, hey.
What happened?
It flew out. It flew me out, and I tried to let go, and it wouldn't. We just got attacked by some birds.
Yo, Gracie!
Fly me away.
Oh my God,
Yo,
it's eating
yo,
your face.
yo,
It's
yo,
eating. Oh, Granny! Oh my God, no.
You're dead.
No, I'm
Go
not.
on, get on, bro. Oh snap! I'm trying to get on birds. Pause.
Yo, Mordecai.
All right, get me off, bro.
Yo, Granddad, he's already losing.
Nah, you gonna catch this uppercut? You remember George Foreman? Yeah, I see you watched the movie. You watched the movie. All right, get down.
Well, he lost in the movie, so I don't understand. Whoa! Yo, not this shit
Nah, he whooped
again.
Joe Frazier. He was smacking him around.
Yeah, but then when he came against Muhammad Ali, he was on the ground. So what's going on there? Oh, look at him.
No.
Booty sliding down the walls. Come on, come up here. I'm waiting. My gosh.
I can't hit him.
Yeah, Foreman ain't the same no more after Ali. After I watched that movie, I don't know.
Nah, bro. This happens every time we get on here. He start off a bit rusty. When he get powered up, give it a minute. He gonna start loading his punches up. He gonna load it up.
I don't think so. Oh.
He gonna load it up. I tell you. Oh.
Whoa! Hey!
Yo.
What he doing? Look at his arm. What he doing? Grab onto his booty.
There's no way I caught myself though. Could you like not? You gotta go.
No, he says.
Can I climb?
That shit tastes good. Oh. Exo jump. Make me have to put my panties on you. I'm joking. Whoa. It's like, no.
What you doing?
Great. Now his booty ass gotta win.
Oh, helicopter.
I am Mike Timus. What?
I'm lagging.
Lagging. Come that tip up here. Come that tip up here.
What? I win.
Yeah, whoa! No!
Oh, wait till I start loading the uppercut up. I'ma load it. You better know how to weave. Oh,
You better win.
my blocking game.
Oh,
Open it up. See your face.
No. Oh,
Can't
Mordecai!
see.
Mordecai!
Mm.
Whoa!
Well,
Grab his grandstands. Give me
Come
this
on,
goddamn bird. Move out my fucking way. You trying to make me grab his nuts. You saw that? Sus.
yo,
Lagging!
that
Knocked out on the
character.
ground.
I'll say he's strong. He can wrestle a little bit, but he better have that head movement.
I mean, he slapped you out, so I don't think head movement is even a thing in this fight. Oh, shit. Whoa, he just slammed the shit out of me.
He's wrestling. Yeah, wrestling. Come on.
Shut up, bitch. Get out of here. I don't know who the fuck you thought you was
It
talking
remind
to.
me, I think it was in GTA. Someone got shot in the chest with a shotgun. They flew back. All you both are watching me. I feel like I seen that.
You're bald. Oh. Slide down the fucking stairs. Oh, bony ass. Look at the dumb ass. Fell on his fucking neck. Oh, grab his ugly panties.
I'm
Nah.
Why can I get up?
Because you're too fucking huge.
Dang, that punch was hard, but I missed it. You saw it? Dash with it.
Weave. Ah. Get off
Load
my
eye.
shit. Yo, why he fucking got the baby on
Sack
the
bird.
fucking ground and shit? Like,
Sack bird.
get your nuts out my bags. Yeah. Yo!
Yo, he just maneuvered my stuff, yo. I flew at him and like tried to tackle him. He like did some reversal.
Why is that so? Why is that part that's just like so slippery with some baby oil? I don't understand. Don't worry, get this motherfucker this time. What? Yo, what?
Oh,
Bro, I
but
think.
why is it so slippery?
What's that thing he was saying? I want the whole load. Yeah. You want the whole load.
What?
You want the whole load. Ain't nothing but a Come on now, get him out of here. Look at the sack.
Am I not awake? What's my eyes open?
Think you're Sigma? Open his drawers. Oh.
No! Yeah.
Whoa. Yo. Is he fucking serious? Ready for the tip, Manium? Here we go. Bro, what is he doing? Shoving his booty against the pipes.
Dang, bro, that jab connected so clean.
Like that keister.
Yo!
Hold on. Get off me. Get him out. Hey, you're not getting up here. Not getting out. Oh, so you think y'all playing, huh? What you trying to get on these controls? What you trying to get on these drops? You know what?
What? Bro, his legs are so broken. Not gonna lie, hand me Jackie Chan.
Is this the great George Foreman? Oh. That was pathetic.
Get me on roof.
Alright. Someone hand me my deodorant.
Jump out at the show.
Y'all be messing with that Brawlhalla tip? Let me know.
No, they don't mess with it.
You
I gotta go
messing with
for the body punches. Got
See
that
what you
head
messing
beard.
with. I see what you messing with. You messing with the ground.
I'm going for them body punches. I hope your abs are developed. Cause that little suit ain't saving. Let me get down real quick. Hold on. Let me get down real quick.
Ooh,
Nah,
push the
look at
mistake.
Get down. Get down to that body. Get down to that
It
body.
don't matter what you going for. You still losing. Grip him by his fucking hair. Ah! You got man tits on your stomach.
Down or cut.
Oh, yeah, I remember this. Uppercut. Down a cut. Booty nuts. Yeah.
Montreal.
Oh, so you think you're mind of Raz?
I'm not mind the rest. I'm mind grill.
It seems like he winning right now. Bro.
Just my 1 point. Let's relax.
Oh, that 1 point can fuck you all up.
What the world? My camera shock. My camera shock.
Yo, he's stroking the camera down. Like, what he doing?
Mm-mm.
Get off my butt! Are you on the ground? The fuck off the ground, bitch. Get off the fucking ground.
Leave that child alone.
What? Next time, get your fat ass off that ground. You can take your fucking box cut. Ah!
Gotta throw in no box cuts.
Yet.
You probably got that box cut under that. Actually, no, you bald. I see it right there. Look at me rubbing your head.
Yo! They trying to give me for the.
No, I'm gonna let you. I'm not gonna do that weak stuff. Come on, we're gonna fight like men.
You say it. Get your dumb ass off the ground. Oh shit.
Don't forget to go when you go.
What? You want
That
that
uppercut
BST?
is crazy.
You want that BST? The BST? Grip him by the tip, throw him on the shit, stroke him. Come on, get up. This ain't fucking nap time.
How you ain't getting knocked? I'm hitting him with
Yo, what are you
hydrogen bomb.
doing? What are they doing? I defend me over.
Game sucks. Got that Modern Warfare aura. That's all I can say to that.
Yo, the Modern Warfare or Modern Warfare or.
No.
Get up, get up. I can't. You know, I was thinking of shit. Modern Warfare or. I was thinking of it. Every fucking thing, every little thing that don't go his way. Oh, I can't with this Modern Warfare or. This is fucking stupid.
Because I know the truth now. I was reading a book on Call of Duty's history.
Fucking bullshit.
And I know
Talk
this.
about Modern Warfare or there's a whole ass green bird flying around him to save him. Like,
They ain't saved me what? What you talking about? Oh, snap, there you go right there.
I knew
Oh,
it.
my goodness.
I knew it. Look, he's just sitting there. Get out.
No.
I'm tired of your bullshit.
But I still lost.
I want to hear it. He knew I was suspecting him. Well, you know what I do now? Fucking Uncle Ted, what's coming out your ass? Had to wax that goddamn mustache off your face. Yeah. 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 Oh, gosh. Oh. Get your back out the way, bro. Why is he so huge? Like his hitbox is like that. Yeah. And take this with you.
Modern Warfare.
Ain't no green bird around me like you. No, what's the point?
I ain't had a green bird. I still
He
lost.
summoned the green
They
bird
lost the
from
fight.
behind him. It ain't
Lost the
came
fight with the
towards
green
me. It went behind him. So he summoned it as an assist character. Yeah. Fuck.
Nope. Nope.
Oh. What the fuck was that? Where that green bird at, huh? It look like he not helping, huh? He not helping, huh?
I ain't got no green bird. You the one who called him.
Nah, he came
Those
from
how you start
behind
talking
you.
about him, he
He
showed
came
up.
from behind you, and he was hovering over
You
you.
got an assist character. An assist character.
See, the yellow bird
Like
mine.
freaking hero. You got them extra characters. Let's fight with for you. You lose in one.
I know you could take your funky ass to lose it. First time in
John
a
Jones.
long time.
What?
What bird is this? It's a yellow bird. See, I summoned him. Who's that? Jose. That your bird at, huh? I haven't seen him in a while. Oh! What is going on with the Arthur Piper?
No. Modern Warfare. Modern Warfare. You can't make this up. You can't make this up. No. You can't make this up. You can't make this up.
Diado.
No, he's going out that time. I don't care. No, Warfare. Look at the yellow bird trying to come save him.
Look at Sassy Gussie.
He ate that?
The yet.
They get up so quick sometimes.
Get his tip out the way. Like, I'm sick of it.
TBG.
No.
What a player.
Sassy's.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
My back. Can't let nobody get to my back meat. That's the tip and trick. You guys cannot let him get on your backside. Once he's on the backside.
You about to lose, man. I don't know. Damn. Yo, what the fuck? He boosted me with his head.
I can't do the gazelle hook no more. The uppercut.
Yeah. No.
Look at them. The yellow bird again.
Come here.
Modern Warfare.
It's not even green. Look at you. Yeah. Go away now.
Modern Warfare.
Wait, it's not. No!
Modern Warfare.
How is it Modern Warfare if I lost? You got it, not me.
Cause turned it off.
What the fuck is he talking about? I've yet
Turn
to
it
see that
off.
damn green bird come up in there. He's just waiting for the perfect moment. I know he is. Look, it's the final
What are you
round.
talking about? Get up! Still not here. I'm gone.
No!
Yo! It's Modern Warfare. No, I can't. No, the yellow. Look at this game. Look at it. You can't make it up.
Hey, yellow bird, I need some help, bro. I need some help.
You can't make it up. Yes, you can't make it up no more. You can't hide it. You can't hide it. You can't hide this pitus. You can't hide it.
Don't you dare speak on this
Get off
game.
the ground.
I'm waiting for him. Where
Blue.
he at?
Blue. Modern Warfare. Well, I saw some blue. You know what that means? What game was it that was blue? Was it Modern Warfare 3? Yep. No, that was red. Modern Warfare 1. That's what it was. Blue. Yep. I see it now.
Hey, look at you
Look,
right
the
there.
green one right there. No, that's you. Look how I come up when I lose.
Hey, no Modern Warfare thing yellow, so get on my balls.
Modern Warfare 4. It's gonna be yellow. Watch.
It's
Watch. Y'all
not.
gonna
No.
see it. Y'all gonna see
No,
it.
that shit gonna
Trust
be red
it.
again. It's gonna be red.
No, it's gonna be yellow. I know it's gonna be yellow. I know for a fact it's gonna be yellow.
Oh, bro.
Dopamine, you clean